seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus...
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort Main Entrance Plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just to purchase tickets, access parking, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. Thanks for traveling with us for a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Once again, please remain seated until the tram has come to a phone complete stop. You'll be exiting the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only. Thank you.